What are you doing? You're cleaning Daddy's helmet. What is up, people? It's your boy Filipino Rider UK, and we are back at it again. And yeah, today's a nice sunny weather here in London. But before that, let's get on with the intro. Minero. That's gonna be it. That's gonna be the wash, and this is what you get. That's it. That was just a quick wash. I was gonna go to work, but then again, I need to see my boy. Yeah. I need to make a clip around my mom's house. So yeah, I was in Minero. I got my bike washed and that's done. Now what's next is to go to work at 5 o'clock. Should be good. Anyway, I'll see you guys when I park. Chase! Look at that, people. Sexy. Yeah. And it's your boy guys, it's back. I'm back. Not that it's back, but I am back. It's your boy Filipino Rider UK, yeah. Right now I'm working, guys. It's quiet at the moment. Maybe because it's too early, and that is why it's really quiet. Then again, I keep going on, going and going and going and going and going and going in Battersea. This is very nice. I like going in Battersea, that's the main thing. I mean, what I hate the most is going to Putney and to where else? Wimbledon area. It's a bit far. Yeah. And that's W8. Then again, I keep getting Battersea today, thanks to the manager. Yeah. I'm gonna try and see how my bike reacts to my banking. Because I'm gonna have a banking session on the road where I'm going. One thing that I have no choice. Yeah, I can slow down, but kuya, nasungot ang motor mo yot, nakarwarmet, madiatikas na manong. Yeah, just in my dialect. Oh my days. These people, man. This is how people die. They just cross the road like, oh my goodness. That guy just literally crossed the road. Like, he's going straight while there's a bike coming through. I don't know what's wrong. What is really wrong with these people, man? I just don't get it. Why they are stubborn about crossing the road. Yeah, jeez. Please let me do my thing. At least once, my friend. Don't. Alright. Mabagal lang. It's a bit slow. It's a bit of a practice. Could have been faster. Anyway. Yeah, as you can see, guys, there are a lot of in London. I just don't really know. Maybe they're good at their theory tests and some other stuff that they do when they get their license. But then again, they can't really perfect when they are driving. And yeah. My days. I'm very close to my next delivery, next dropping point, and we are approaching Albert Bridge, people. Albert Bridge. You will see how lovely it is in the evening. I'll see how it is. Woo, woo. Very close now, but yeah. I made a video about it before. Now I'm making another one, but yeah. What you will see is the lights from Albert Bridge, not Christmas lights or anything. It's just the bridge itself is amazing, especially with the lights on. Oopsie, someone behind me. I don't know if that's a scooter or something. I have my camera on. It's hard to trust, you know, when you see a bike behind you nowadays, because you don't know what or where they are properly. See, how's that? Ang kastrip ni Tito. Okay. Man, I'm not really sure if we're allowed to go there, but who knows? I've been there many times. But yeah, ow! Sorry. I'm at the waterside point, so I'll see you guys when I see ya. Jeez. So there you go, guys. I managed to get home early, I guess, but now I just gotta get changed because I need to go live while playing. So let's see how it is. It's been a quiet day. So I don't know. So yeah, just gonna quickly get change and do some live stream. See ya. So that is it, guys, for this part 1 of this vlog. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure to like and share this video, and I hope to see you again soon on part 2. Cheers. Hope you have a good night.